fluid. The main idea of our project is simple. We can use the power of water to lift really heavy things just like construction workers do. Objective. The main objective of our project is to show how hydraulic power helps heavy machines like JCB to lift and move heavy loads easily using the force of liquids. Main components, syringe and pipes to represent the hydraulic system, and the other is water to as a walking fluid, and another is cardboard and plastic to represent the hydraulic system, to represent the hydraulics part, and arms and bucket to lift heavy objects. How does our project work? This JCB model works on the power of hydraulics. Real JCB machine uses the same principle to lift really heavy things. This principle is called hydraulics. Pascal's law. The whole project is based on the Pascal's law. This law says that when you push water into a closed pipe that travels through pressure to another syringe without losing its strength.
What is the main? Hello everyone. Good evening. Myself Smriti. I read in class 12. Question 1. What is the main work machine of this project? The model was thought syringe and pipe. What will happen if any parts removed or damaged? If any syringe or pipe removed, the JCB arms will stop make this model. Did you face any problems with this make model? We faced pipe leakage and air bubbles. Thank you.
Hello everyone, good evening. My name is Sakshi Kumari. I study in class 6 today. I belong to Sardar Patel House. My project is excavator machine with hydraulic power JCB. Application is hydraulic system are used in real JCB camera and number etc. They make lifting, and moving heavy object much easier and faster. Conclusion. Our hydraulic JCB model shows how liquid pressure can do powerful work. It teaches us that a small pressure in can create a big force, which is a very useful machine.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Samir Ansari from class 12. My project name is excavate power with hydraulic JCB machine. जादू नहीं विज्ञान। यह JCB मॉडल पानी की शक्ति पर काम करता है। असली JCB भी इस सिद्धांत का उपयोग करके भारी सामान उठाती है। इस सिद्धांत को हाइड्रोलिक्स कहते हैं। पास्कल का नियम। यह पूरा खेल पास्कल पर आधारित है। यह नियम कहता है कि जब आप बंद पाइप में भरे पानी पर जोर लगाते हैं, वो कम जोर हुए बिना एक हिस्से से दूसरी तरफ पहुंच जाता है। शक्ति बढ़ाना। जब आप एक सिरिंज को दबाते हैं तो JCB का हाथ ऊपर नीचे होता है और JCB हमारा काम आसानी से कर देता है, जैसे भारी पत्थर उठाना, मिट्टी उठाना, सामान इधर से उधर करना। थैंक यू।
What is the title of your project? Excavator machine with hydraulic power JCB. How do you choose this project? We have chosen this project to show how JCB works in real life. Why are the project useful in real life? Our project is useful in real life where construction works in real life. What are your problem? Why are you problem? We are trying to solve. We are trying to solve lifting and moving heavy materials easily and safely, which is difficult to do manually.